Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off suggestions on your YouTube account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouTube application on your device, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you will need to use your credentials by tapping on the account icon at the bottom right corner. After logging into your account, if you wish to turn off suggestions, then tap on your account icon at the bottom right, and now from your account page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the gear icon, go ahead and tap on your data in YouTube, and now you will be taken into your account data settings page. Now from this page, scroll down and you will find the YouTube watch history button. You can tap on this option if you wish to turn it off by tapping on the turn off button. You can also tap on manage history, and then you will find the delete button, which will delete your YouTube watch history. Just tap on the delete button and you will be able to delete your today's history or set a custom range, and you can also delete all of your history entirely. After choosing your delete option, you will be asked to confirm whether you are sure that you want to delete your history. Once your history has been cleared, you can scroll down once again and you will find web and app activity. You can tap on this option and you will once again find the turn off option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now your web activity for your Google account will also be turned off. And once you clear your history and turn off all of your suggestion, your YouTube account will have no more data on your watch history in order to send you recommendations. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off recommendations on your YouTube account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.